Good morning, students and viewers. We are going to share the most important topic, which is related to senior intermediate, the role of agriculture. Agriculture plays a vital role, or key role, or prominent role in Indian economy. It is the backbone of Indian economy. In our country, agriculture is not only an important occupation of the people, but also way of life. It is a culture and custom of the country. The economic and social life of Indians is closely associated with agriculture. Even after 7 decades of industrialization in India, agriculture still occupies a place of pride. Agriculture has shown a remarkable progress in developed countries like Denmark, Australia, New Zealand, Sweden, and Canada achieved good progress, even though the percentage of people depends on agriculture is very high. Every country gave more importance to agriculture in the initial stages of the economic development. So what is the importance of agriculture? Agriculture development is a central point to economic development in our country. The prosperity of agriculture is synonymous with the prosperity of India because it is a primary sector in India. Number one, the share of agriculture in economic development. So agriculture sector is also called as primary sector, you know very well. It includes forestry, fishing, mining, dairying, and allied activities like animal husbandry, horticulture, sericulture, apiculture, pisciculture. So agriculture sector is significantly contributing to GDP of India. The share of India in national income declined gradually from 56.56% in 1950s to 13.9% by 2014. Still, the share of agriculture in GDP is significantly in India when compared to the developed countries, because the share of agriculture in national income in UK and USA is 2 to 3% only. So this is the role in national income. But second is employment providing sector. The number of people working on land, both cultivators and agriculture laborers, is increasing from the 98 millions in the 1951 to 234 millions in the 2011. But in terms of percentage, it is decreased from 70 to 54.7% during above period, but still it was very high when compared to the developed countries. In developed countries, only 2 to 3% people depends on agriculture. Importance in international trade. The agriculture sector is playing a vital role in our foreign trade activities. This is particularly clear in the case of exports. India stands first in the world in the production of pulses, jute, milk, and second rank in the production of rice, wheat, groundnut, sugarcane, cotton, vegetables, fruits for a longer time. 3 agriculture-based exports of India like cotton, textile, jute, be accounted more than 50%. If we add other agriculture commodities, it will rise to the 75%. At present, we are exporting sugar, cotton, tobacco, rice, cashew nuts, spices, oil cakes, coffee, tea, fish, meat, fruits, pulses to foreign countries. As a result of liberalization after 1991, the exports of agriculture products registered a significant rise, but its share has been declined from the 44% to 12.3% because the total exports of other sectors of the economy increased rapidly. So this is the role of the international trade in agriculture sector. And fourth is effective social net. Agriculture presently contributes less than 15% of the Indian GDP. It continues to employ more than half of the workforce. Animal husbandry and fisheries, agro-based forestry, that's called silk industry, horticulture are developed at household level. Hunger and poverty it will be alleviated. Alleviated means what? Drastically decreases. So green revolution along with the white revolution, blue revolution provides income and employment to the rural people by eradicating the poverty in a significant manner. It's called blue revolution related to fishes, white revolution is related to milk, green revolution is related to agriculture products. That agriculture acts an effective social net in India. And fifth importance is food supply of the expanding population. The hunger index shows India's rank is 55 out of 76 countries. According to the recent estimates, India's hunger index is 94 rank out of 187 countries. According to the FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, in India is hunger affected country due to the heavy pressure of population. The per capita availability of food grains has declined from the 510.1 grams to the 468.9 grams in the 2013, and thus agriculture development is necessary for achievement of food security in India. So our total food grains production probably that's called as a 285 million tons. Food security is lacking in India. Agriculture plays an important role in providing food for the growing population. Food security is such a security which enables the people to have all time enough food for an active and healthy life. So the role of agriculture in industrialization, the sixth important. Industries which depends on agriculture products for raw materials are agro-based industries. Agro-based industries like cotton, jute, textile, sugar, handloom, hearing, rice husking, food processing, oil crushing, horticulture are directly depends on agriculture for the raw material. So the development of agriculture sector, it will expand the demand for industrial goods. At the same time, seventh importance is market for industrial products. 2/3 of the population in the developing countries like India lives in rural areas. So the purchasing power of these people is too low to purchase the industrial products. So that is the reason we have to improve the steps. Steps are taken to increase agriculture products and productivity. The income of these people will increase and causes demand for industrial goods. Agriculture and industrialization both are interdependent. So that's called we have to increase the purchasing power of the rural people. And other factors. In other factors, agriculture showing a lot of importance. Development of agriculture sector, directly growth in the transport sector. So transport sector drastically increases. Development of agriculture sector invites expansion of branches of banks in the rural areas. And agriculture development minimize the migration from the rural to the urban areas. Today, the towns are equipped with a huge population. And agriculture is the main source for the supply of food, fodder to the cattle, plays an important role in the development of animal husbandry and dairying activities. That's called farm tourism in the rural areas can be developed through the development of agriculture. Agriculture and allied sectors play an important role in protecting the biodiversity. It's called innumerable insects and birds, different kinds of. It is a place in agriculture. Both the central and state governments are allocating more funds in the budget for the development of agriculture in order to accelerate the growth of farm sector. And so agriculture occupies an important role in Indian economy. So these are all points supporting and explains the importance of agriculture in India.